Good evening, guys. I just finished packing, ready to send those orders out tomorrow as the first thing. Thank you so much for your support through Facebook groups. I just want to give you a quick explanation what you're gonna expect in the delivery. We normally do our delivery via Australian Post with tracking code. Using this one as example, you can open up the parcel from the back, gently take out what's inside the parcel. What we have here is a red root floater in a tough box. Remember to scan the QR code on the top of the box, so that will lead you to a website with more information in terms of caring and growing the plant. So the tough box can be tricky to open sometimes. Just make sure you open them up gently and slowly. Once open up the box, take out the bags. We normally, for red root floater, we normally have two bags, two sealed bags actually, just to keep the moisture inside. So you open up the first bag and take the second bag out. You can see it's also sealed bag for the second one. We also have a piece of closed inside with a bit of water. So at a bare minimum, this plant can be kept in this bag for minimum 10 days. So you don't have to worry about once you receive the plant, it's not fresh or it's dead. Thank you very much.